A team.
A team.
Okay.
And we're doing the
I don't know what to call it, challenge. What we're gonna do is we're gonna mix 4 random things from our refrigerator, and
you have to have it in your mouth for 5 seconds. And whoever spits it out under 5 seconds loses.
Yeah.
That's pretty much it.
So let's get started. All right, so she's going to get this stuff. What's it called? Cranberry juice. See what else we have in here. Italian dressing. Italian dressing.
AJ's getting.
No, I'm doing it for you first. All right, so she's getting also lemon juice. And to top it off, eggnog. All right, so that's it for her. Now let's mix it. Mix it, mix it, mix it. Her. Oh, hot sauce, all right. Barbecue sauce. I hate barbecue sauce.
Good.
Don't do that to me. 3 things, and that's it. This is gonna suck. I was a little too nice to her, wasn't I?
Oh, whatever. Can't open it.
Sure you can. Your other hand.
But how am I gonna hold on to it?
With your other hand.
I can't feel my other hand.
Here, let me do it. Hold it. Or not. That much. Can't use too much of it because it's a little wasteful. I hate that.
What do you think?
What the heck did you get done to you? You look like Mindy.
Do I?
Yes, you too.
Well, that's a compliment. All right, I'll leave you out to. Let me just put up my groceries.
This will work.
Don't mind us. We're just old. So letting him like. Oh, let me not talk because everybody else. So how was your trip?
That's not liquidy enough. We're gonna need to stir it.
Help me put this up. I'll stir it while you put that stuff up.
Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
It's not that bad. Go. 1, 2, 3,